Join me as I dive into the world of MLGO stock and see if I can figure out if it's really on the verge of an explosion. MLGO stock has been making some waves lately, and for good reason. This company has positioned itself in a pretty interesting space within the market, and a lot of investors are keeping a close eye on it. If you're into stocks, you might already have a sense of why MLGO could be a big player, but for those who are new to this, let me fill you in. The current market landscape is highly competitive, and MLGO's performance could give us some clues about where the industry is headed. One of the biggest challenges MLGO stock is facing right now is the intense competition in its sector. There are a lot of big players vying for market share, and it's not easy to stand out. Another thing to consider is the current market conditions. We're seeing a lot of volatility, which can make it tough for any stock to gain traction. Internally, MLGO has been dealing with some issues that could impact its performance. There have been some concerns about the company's leadership and its ability to innovate. Market conditions can change quickly, and MLGO needs to stay on its toes. The company's financials have also come under scrutiny, with some investors questioning its ability to scale. Additionally, there are concerns about the company's cash flow and how it's managing its debt. These are all things that can affect the stock's price, so it's worth keeping an eye on. The thing is, MLGO has some pretty strong fundamentals, and that's what's got a lot of investors excited. The company has a solid product lineup and a growing customer base. Analysts have been weighing in on the stock, and some are pretty bullish about its prospects. They see potential for growth, especially if MLGO can execute on its plans. Market trends are also worth considering. We're seeing a lot of interest in tech stocks, and MLGO could benefit from that. Recent news has been mixed, but there are some positive developments that could bode well for the stock. For one, MLGO has been making some strategic acquisitions that could help it expand its offerings. On top of that, the company has been investing heavily in research and development, which could lead to some breakthroughs. All these factors combined give us a pretty interesting picture of where MLGO might be headed. So, what's the verdict? Is MLGO stock about to explode? Well, I've been digging into the data, and there are some pretty compelling signs that suggest it could be on the verge of a significant move. For one, the stock has been forming a pretty clear pattern, and if it breaks out, we could see some serious momentum. On top of that, there's been a surge in trading activity, which often precedes a big move. The chart looks promising, with the stock hovering around a key level. If it breaks through, we could see a rapid increase in price. Some analysts are also predicting a big upside, based on their analysis of the company's fundamentals. All these factors combined make a pretty strong case for MLGO's potential. In terms of recent developments, MLGO just announced a major partnership that could help it expand its reach. This could be a game changer for the company, and it's got a lot of investors excited. The partnership is with a major player in the industry, and it could give MLGO the boost it needs to take off. To recap, we've covered some of the challenges facing MLGO stock, as well as the factors that could influence its future. It's clear that there's a lot to consider when it comes to this stock, but the bottom line is that it has potential. So, what do you think about MLGO stock? Are you bullish or bearish on its prospects? Let me know in the comments. If you're interested in more stock analyses and investment insights, be sure to check out my other videos.